Morning, everybody. It's 8:20 on Monday the 8th, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1396. Okay, so Asia and Europe both slightly higher. The Dow initially, when I came down at about 7:15, was up 114. Nasdaq up about 60, and the S&P up 17. Um, Things have risen a bit here. The Dow is now up about 150, Nasdaq up 90, and the S&P up 17. In the news, CVS looks like they're going to buy Signify, SGFY. The stock is 22.85, up 298 or 15%, but there were rumors about this last week, and so we did have a move up in Signify for the week last week, I believe. Let's just take a quick look here. For the week last week, it was actually up 276 with a low of 16 and change and a high of 1988. This morning it is 23 and a quarter, and that's up another $3.38 or 17%. Excuse me. Berkshire Hathaway reports a huge loss, 43 billion in Q2. Excuse me, doesn't really do much for the stock. It's down 0.6%. A favorite in our room, in the Discord room, the address of which the link is in the header for this video. VTRS 1019 up another 75 cents. Pardon me, up 42 cents. 1015 up 42, 4.32. This is a generic drug maker, and although I like Teva, um, we've certainly been making some money here. SoftBank also with a multi-billion-dollar loss. The stock is really not doing much. Palantir with a miss and a downgrade. $9.22, down $1.52 or 13%. This stock was a big loser last week. Gold, GOLD, that's Barrick Gold, 1607 up 47 cents or 3%. It reported earnings that were beat as opposed to the earnings that we had in Newmont that were a miss. But I will tell you that in options action on Friday early evening, there was a big discussion on two stocks, Disney and Barrick, both with overwhelmingly bullish leanings. The Disney this morning is 108.21, up $1.58, and as I said, GOLD, Barrick Gold, is trading 16.10, up a half a dollar, or a little over 3%. And your warning for the day: MEGL. This is another $4 IPO on Thursday night for Friday. It opened at 50, ran up to 239. This morning, up to 380. Last 197, up 100. What can I say about this? It's another little bullshit Chinese fintech company. Oh, please, could I have some more? Um, you know, this also will not end well. Okay, in the futures, we have the grains all slightly lower. Uh, Corn down 6, soybeans down 10, wheat down 10, hard red wheat down 12, oats actually up 3. In the energies, we have the oil lower this morning, but I don't believe it's broken Friday's low. Let's take a quick look here. Um, Go to the daily and zoom in a bit. Yeah, no, it has not made another new low. The low was 87.01 on Friday. The last here is 88.08, down 93. That's pretty close. The low was 87.22. So it's about 80 cents off the low and has not broken just yet. The reason for the excitement in the Barrick gold is the actual commodity, the gold. It's not given up, but it's a short range inside day today. On Thursday and Friday, it both days had about $30 of range up. This was a $33 range, closing up 30 on Thursday. Friday was a $31 range, closing down 15. This morning, back to the upside, up 770 at 1800. High 1800 and 140. Clearly, we have to get through this 1812, 1815 area to try the resistance between 1840 and 1850. Okay, let's get back to all the futures. Okay, so the silver is up 40 cents. Copper is down less than a penny. I really like the copper. If you read my comment over the weekend, you'd understand how I feel about it. Cotton up 73. Coffee up $1.25 with a horrendous looking chart. The lumber has not opened. S&P now up about 23, up 91 in the Nasdaq, and up 143 in the Dow. The dollar is down about 27 cents, but Bitcoin and Ethereum much stronger. I look at the Bitcoin chart and I include it in my charts with comments, and it is really trying here. But until it closes above, let's call it 24.6, last is 24.160, I can't really get too excited about. The Ethereum, which is actually my favorite, is also higher, but what's different here is that Ethereum is running ahead of Bitcoin. It has already broken the high from last week. It's trading above it at 1802, and that's up almost 7% today again. So that's 7% in Ethereum, and Bitcoin is up 5.3%. So not bad, but there is definitely a leaning towards Ethereum. Bonds are up 23 seconds. That's about 3/4 of a point, up about 1/3 of a point in the 10-year, and up a little bit in the 5 and the 2. All right, everyone. Have a good day. Be careful out there. And, let's hope for this Teva to pull back a little. As I said, Teva and Viatis are in the same generic drug business. Have a good day.